Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming Roblox Studio is open and HTTP service is enabled. This allows server scripts to call APIs. Next, obtain a TTS provider API key if you need voices beyond Roblox defaults. Write it down and keep it secret. Once done, import or create a minimal TTS module script inside server script service so you can centralize calls. Make sure to set appropriate permissions for voice chat versus text-to-speech use, and verify place settings before code. You now write the server-side logic that accepts text from trusted sources. Do not accept raw client input without filtering. Use HTTP service. Craft a post with JSON text, your text, and include the API key and headers. Once the provider returns audio bytes or a URL, convert or download into a Roblox sound object, then parent it to sound service or workspace. Once done, crossfade or queue sounds so multiple requests don't clip, and throttle calls to respect rate limits. You finish by creating a client UI that sends sanitized text to the server using remote event and then plays the returned sound from sound service. Make sure to provide visual feedback, a loading spinner while the audio is generated, and a retry button if it fails. If playback stalls, check HTTP service logs, ensure your API key is valid, and verify the provider's response format matches your parser. If you hit rate limits, implement exponential backoff and local caching to reduce repeated requests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.